Alright, so as you may recall from our most recent video, we recently tested a very happy RCLM BE class. Well, like we had said in that video, it has a front mount, and so we've now put on a snowplow attachment like from our Maga series onto the front of the RCLM. So if you look over here, we can fully control the height of the plow from the remote control. The advantage of this is that we have the weight and the power of the hybrid system. So this machine, even though it has tires instead of tracks, will be able to push a lot of snow. As you can see, the snowplow is working very nicely with very smooth and fluid motions. So I think we're going to have a very happy customer with this one.